Explorers! My name is Ruby. Today, I will tell you about my fun daily routine. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can follow along. Are you ready? Let's go! I wake up at 6:30 in the morning. My alarm goes beep beep beep. I jump off the bed like a superhero. I stretch my arms and wiggle my toes. Good morning, world! Next, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth very carefully. I make funny faces in the mirror. Sometimes I pretend my toothbrush is a magic wand. I wash my face with cold water. Splash! That wakes me up. Then I get dressed. I wear my school uniform. I tie my shoes, brush my hair, and check my reflection. I always try to look like a superstar. After that, I go to the kitchen, breakfast time. I usually eat cereal with milk. Sometimes I add berries or chocolate chips. Yum! I drink a glass of orange juice. Breakfast gives me super energy for the day. Now, it's time to pack my school bag. I put in my books, pencils, and lunchbox. I always double check because I never want to forget my superhero notebook. Before leaving, I say goodbye to my family. I walk to school with my best friend. At school, I learn new things. I read stories, draw pictures, and sometimes play games with my classmates. Learning is fun. After school, I come back home. I eat a snack, maybe an apple or a cookie, then I do my homework. I try to finish it fast like a rocket. In the evening, I play in the garden. I jump, run, and sometimes pretend I am an explorer in the jungle. I love to draw and color too. At night, I eat dinner with my family. We talk about our day and share funny stories. I brush my teeth again, put on my pajamas, and read a short story. Then I snuggle into bed and dream about new adventures. That is my fun daily routine. What about you? Do you have a fun routine too?